Meaning of filtrate.
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 Filtrate. The term filtrate refers to the liquid or solution that has passed through a filter, leaving any solid particles or impurities behind. Filtration is a commonly used method in chemistry and other fields to separate mixtures of substances by using a porous material to trap the larger particles while allowing the smaller particles to pass through. The resulting filtrate is generally clearer and purer than the original mixture, as it has been freed from any unwanted contaminants. Filtration can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from purifying water to separating chemicals in a laboratory setting.